Hello everyone, welcome to Sanyog Technologies. I am Prince Jen, and today on 10th of January 2020 we have our first lunar eclipse of this year. And if you wonder why I dress like this, because I just finished my astronomy session and it's 11th of January 1 and a 45 a.m. early morning. So out there are a lot of cold and chill wind blowing there, and this may affect your health. So if you are going to do astronomy in the night in the winter seasons, you should know how to properly dress. You should properly cover your ears, hands, and as well as you must wear shoes and have a woolen clothing. And instead of taking much more time and rather focusing on the concepts of lunar eclipse, which you will easily find on the Google, I rather let you to go and see my results and what I do and how I do the astrophotography with just my DSLR today. And that's it. Instead of going into the details, I'd rather show you what I do. And not only this, there's a mercy of the clouds, and the cloud gods really helped in clearing all the particles from the sky. And we have a beautiful Orion as well at the end of the show. So stay tuned at the end, and we will have our moon and the great Orion.
Equipment I use today is Ioptron Cube 2E mount, along with my Canon 1300D DSLR attached with 55mm to 250mm lens. After setup, let's adjust exposure and ISO setting. Although full moon is not as fantastic as 50% Vannian-Gabriel's phase of a moon, but it is so energetic which attracts me automatically towards it. Even the cloud sometimes makes a wonderful view and a natural neutral density filter for a full moon view. As moon in this eclipse is only in penumbra of the earth, and somehow after shattering of clouds, sky become a crystal clear. Although I know it is not that good, but for a person like me living in a city was able to count 25 stars, it's really a joyful view for me. For the rest of the time, I set my DSLR to Orion and enjoy observing rest of the universe with a pair of binoculars. Here are my results. As clearly seen, the noise level reduces after stacking of images, and also after auto-toning we can clearly see the star's light from background, revealing a jaw-dropping view.
So that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.